There comes a moment in life when looking back becomes more dangerous than moving forward. A moment when the past stops being a lesson and starts being an excuse. You can replay what went wrong. You can relive the mistakes. You can keep dragging regret behind you like a chain. Or you can decide, right now, that it ends here. Maybe you got knocked down. Maybe life didn't just test you, it broke you. You lost. You failed. You trusted the wrong people. You made decisions you wish you could erase. And for a while, it felt like that was it. Like the window closed. Like the world moved on without you. But here's the truth most people never hear. You're not behind. You're not finished. You're not done. You're still breathing, which means your story isn't over. And this chapter, this one right here, isn't called regret. It isn't called failure. It isn't called what could have been. This chapter is called your comeback. A comeback doesn't start with motivation. It starts with honesty. Brutal honesty. The kind where you stop blaming the past and admit you've been avoiding the work. Not because you can't do it, but because it's uncomfortable to face the version of you that knows you're capable of more. Here's the hard truth. Rock bottom isn't what ruins people. Comfort does. Comfort keeps you stuck. Comfort tells you tomorrow is fine. Comfort convinces you that surviving is enough. It's not. Your comeback begins the moment you stop treating pain like a weakness and start using it as fuel. Every failure, that was training. Every loss, that was a lesson. Every night you felt behind while everyone else moved forward, that was pressure shaping you. Life wasn't trying to break you. It was testing whether you'd break yourself. And most people do. They quit quietly. They lower their standards. They settle and call it peace. But deep down, they know the truth. They didn't lose because they weren't capable. They lost because they stopped fighting. A comeback is a decision. Not next month, not when you feel confident, not when things slow down. Confidence comes after action, not before. You decide to rise while you're still scared. You move while doubt is loud. You work when motivation is gone. And yes, people will doubt you. Let them. The loudest critics are usually people who quit on themselves and need you to do the same so they feel better about it. They'll say you missed your chance. They'll say you already tried. They'll say you should be realistic. Here's what they won't say. They're projecting their limits onto you. Your comeback doesn't need permission. It doesn't need an announcement. It doesn't need applause. Real comebacks are built in silence. While others are talking, you're training. While others are posting, you're preparing. While others are watching, you're working. Nobody claps for early mornings. Nobody cheers during lonely nights. Nobody cares when you're tired, sore, or questioning everything. And that's exactly where most people fail. They want results without isolation. They want growth without discomfort. They want success without sacrifice. That's not how this works. Your comeback will test you. It will test your discipline when motivation disappears. It will test your patience when results come slow. It will test your ego when progress is invisible. And this is the moment where average people stop. They don't say, I quit. They say, I'll start again later. Later turns into months. Months turn into years. And one day, regret shows up asking why you didn't push when you still had time. Understand this. The pain of discipline is temporary. The pain of regret is permanent. You don't need more information. You don't need another plan. You need execution. You already know what to do. Wake up earlier. Move your body even when it's the last thing you want. Cut off distractions that are stealing your focus. Stop negotiating with weakness. Every excuse you allow today becomes the life you're stuck with tomorrow. Your comeback is built on boring consistency, showing up when no one's watching, doing the work when it feels pointless, repeating the process long after the excitement fades. That's where real confidence comes from. Not affirmations, not hype. Confidence is earned, one disciplined day at a time. And don't get this twisted, this isn't about proving anyone wrong. It's about proving to yourself that you're not finished, that you didn't survive everything you went through just to stay average. There is more in you, but potential without pressure is useless. Diamonds aren't formed in comfort, so here's the line in the sand. Decide today that this is the turning point. Not because it's easy, not because it feels good, but because staying the same is no longer acceptable. You don't need permission. You don't need perfect conditions. You need to start. One step, one workout, one focused hour, one disciplined choice. Do it today, then do it again tomorrow, and again the day after that. That's how comebacks are built. Not with wishes, not with hope, with relentless daily action. And one day, quietly, without warning, you'll look back and realize you didn't just come back, you rebuilt yourself. Stronger, sharper, unrecognizable. It's time for your comeback. Not tomorrow, not someday, now.